Hey beauties, it's your girl Belle and welcome to Belle's Beauty Bar. Today we are going to be doing a body scrub to get rid of that stretch marks and cellulite. So if you like what you hear, definitely keep on watching.
G got it locked, boy. Drop down and get your jiggle on. Pop style and get your drinking on.
Okay guys, so we're going to first start this scrub with 1 cup of coffee. Now, depending on how much you're making, if it's for your whole body or a target area, varies as to how much coffee you put inside your scrub. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Three tablespoons of olive oil. And 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And my favorite ingredient to fade stretch mark scars, a teaspoon of turmeric. Here's a problem area that I use my scrub. So as you can see, my stretch marks are really light. Trust me, it works. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know in the comment sections what you would like me to try next.
Big G's got it locked, boy. Drop down and get your jiggle on. Pop style